Welcome to Serenia Residence, an award-winning beachfront private residence on Palm Jumeirah. Some of the units are still available for sale.
It is located between famous 5-star Anantara Hotel and Waldorf Astoria Hotel. As a resident, you'll have all the facilities you need and more for a tranquil, resort-style living. Here we have 3 swimming pools, private beach with barbecue area, tennis court with a stunning view of the iconic Burj Al Arab. We have 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, as well as half-floor penthouses and presidential suite. Prices are starting from 2.5 million dirham.
There are no other residence on the Palm that has all the facilities under one roof, making this residence a unique one. So if you're looking to own a piece of heaven on Palm Jumeirah, get in touch with us. We'll be happy to help.